Did you break anything? If you don't know who I am, my name is Cole Evans, and one thing that I love to do out in nature is cook great meals. So we're out here at the Sherpa Summit in Taylor Park, Colorado. We got camp all set up behind me. We're just firing up the smoker. We're gonna make some amazing things for you tonight. So let's get cooking. Or I can do the Carne Asada. We can slow smoke the Carne Asada, that would be good. 225. So this is a battery operated pellet smoker. I'm getting it all warmed up right now. We're gonna do some Carne Asada kind of fajita bowl mixes. We currently don't eat gluten, so no tortillas. We use very minimalistic materials. Ingredients currently to try to get down to the core and really just eat really clean. Fuel. Yeah, we just need to fuel our body, but you can still fuel your body and taste great as well. I'm gonna throw this in a cast iron skillet. A little secret, you can buy pre-marinated Carne Asada meat. Man, I cannot speak today. It's pre-mated, yeah. They mated to make the meat. I mean, realistically, animals mate. They have them make another animal. Now I'm holding it in my hand. It's a full life circle, right? Sometimes it's really easy just to grab all this stuff pre-made. I do like making my own marinade and everything, but we were kind of in a rush. If you guys didn't know, I actually surprised Jen with a brand new vehicle to her that she bought. I didn't buy it, but she thought she was gonna get it at the end of the month, and we surprised her a little bit, and she's super stoked about that. We got everything laid out here. I'm gonna start prepping some stuff. Jen's gonna help me out a little bit as well, and just try to get that timing of, okay, throw something on, take something off, let's prep this, prep that, do the cooking, and make sure everything comes out hot and tastes great. I love smoke Gouda. Cleaning up from breakfast, we were a little out in a rush this morning. We made a frittata, and then we're like, oh, gotta go. So I am heating up my cast iron skillet. That's actually some bacon fat that I can use from this morning, but I'm gonna wipe it. But what's cool is about cast iron is that you can season it with any oils or fats, and it actually is, it's clean. It's not like you're eating off a dirty dish, but if you want, you can scrub with salt. That also cleans it as well. But I love cooking on cast iron. It just gives that authentic, rich, full flavor, and it doesn't have all those chemicals from the non-stick pans. All right, so we got a bag of meat. We're gonna throw this on the smoker. Should be, oh, these are actually slices. Oh, we're gonna change this up a little bit then. Don't burn myself, don't burn myself, don't burn myself. Smoke it like this.
Okay.
Yeah. Messed up this one a little bit. This is gonna be tasty. Got cast iron, we got a smoker.
Damn. Got the shrew, we got the peppers, you got the your pre-cut onions over here. Look at this guy. Full on chef.
Cutting onions is the worst thing in the world. Do it once, and I'd like to not cry in front of people. So I usually cut my onions at home. We're gonna throw those in there. I have some bacon fat in there left over from when we cooked some bacon this morning. So it's gonna render a little bit, get that kind of that savory, salty flavor. We'll throw some pepper in there. Throw some, we have some little peppers that we might roast, or I might put them in the skillet after the side. Kind of limited on cooking space, so I have to plan everything, how it should go, but I think we should be set. Yeah, like me telling you I'm the best in the world, I'm never gonna be the best in the world, but I have a fun time doing it, and other people enjoy it. If you don't like it, then you. It's like that Ricky Bobby commercial. You don't like Big Red, then you. Pull steak out at like 135 has been my favorite temp lately. Usually depending on the cut of meat, it'll rise up in temperature even when you pull it off. So I might go a little closer to 140. I like my steak medium rare. Again, if you don't like it, it's your choice. Sweet. Bring this to 500. I'm gonna cool all this stuff off. Want that nice chard. Pull this off. Grab our meat. This thing is nice and hot. Probably do about a minute aside. Yeah, that's what we want. We want that nice charred look to it. I ran out of propane on my other dishes. Ran out of propane there, all right. Well, hopefully those are warm enough. Do I have another bottle? I think so. Let's grab that. A little bit amount of pigness. It's like magnifico, yeah. Get that smoky flavor. Hey. Want a bite? Come get it, bud. Ready? Let's do the mouth transfer. Oh!
Holy In this thing?
Yeah.
What the? That's nuts.
Get some of that. Come over here. Da, 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 da. Throw some peppers in there. Throw some onions. And then Jen, you got the guac salsa. It's just so good. I want some steak. I want some steak. We do make our own salsa, which is banging, which you'll have to experience next time. But for now, that is your meal. Eat up. You're the cameraman. You get first.
That's why I'm the cameraman.